The first form of intercellular signaling is contact-dependent signaling. Through this signaling, the cells communicate over short distances. In this case, the signaling cell contains membrane-bound signal molecule. If this membrane-bound signal molecule comes in contact with the receptor present on the surface of nearby target cell, then cell signaling occurs. It is important during development and in immune responses. During development, it can sometimes operate over relatively large distances where communicating cells extend processes to make contact with one another. The second one is paracrine signaling. Through this signaling, the cells communicate over short distances. In this case, the signaling cell is surrounded by many target cells. Here, the signaling cell and target cells are different. The signaling cell secretes signal molecules into the extracellular fluid. The secreted molecules bind to the receptors present on the target cell and act on them. The secreted molecules may act as local mediators. These local mediators affect on cells in the local environment of the signaling cell. It occurs during spinal cord development, but in autocrine signaling, a cell responds a signal produced by itself. Cancer cells use autocrine signaling strategy to stimulate their own survival and proliferation. The third one is synaptic signaling. Through this signaling, cells communicate over large distances. The neurotransmitter like acetylcholine in the neuron is released at the chemical synapse and binds to the receptors of the target cell, thereby which the neurotransmitter acts on target cell. Synaptic signaling is very fast. Usually, the speed of electrical impulse in neuron is up to 100 meters per second. Here, the neurotransmitters can have high local concentration. For example, the synaptic cleft in the active neuromuscular junction contains 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 molar concentration of acetylcholine. The fourth one is endocrine signaling. Through this signaling, cells communicate over large distances. Here the endocrine cell secretes hormones into the bloodstream. These hormones travel through bloodstream and delivered to the extracellular matrix of the target cell. There, they bind to the receptors present on the target cell and activate them. It relies on diffusion and blood flow. It is relatively slower than synaptic signaling. Hormones can act at very low concentration, typically less than 10 to the power minus 8 molar. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to see more videos on my channel.